Greetings! We are proud to introduce our newest addition to Netron's fine line of industrial sewing and cutting machines. The Netron NT-4408 UTCD is a versatile industrial multi-needle sewing machine. This machine comes with elastic expanding device and is specialized in attaching pre-closed elastic bands to sweatpants, pajamas, trunks, and similar garments. The Netron NT-4408 UTCD also comes with the pneumatic thread cutter system, which increases productivity by trimming threads accurately and leaving less thread. This can save threads and labor costs. For more information regarding this machine or any other of our fine line of industrial cutting and sewing machines, please reach out to your regional sales representative. Thanks for watching.